In this video, I'm going to show you how to export PPT or PowerPoint from GenSpark. So the first thing you have to do, of course, inside GenSpark, you want to go to AI Slides down here at the bottom, and then you just want to go ahead and type in what PowerPoint you want to create. Now, when you do that, it's going to create your PowerPoint, and it's going to give you all the slides over here. You can preview them, see the code, see the thinking behind it, and whenever you've done that, at the very top right here, it's going to say View and Export. So click on that, and then over here, you can click on export, which says export as PDF, PPTX, or Google Slides. Click on that. It's going to take you to a separate page here where you can basically select what you want to export. So you could do PPTX in this instance. And then here, of course, to be able to export, you'll have to have one of their premium plans. You can't do this on the free plan, but when you do have the plan, you'll just be able to go ahead and select PPTX over here, select all pages or custom range, and then click on export, and it's going to basically export it onto your computer. So that's how easy it is. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.